So welcome to SWAMY'S Academy. In studies, it's one of the method that is mean. To find the mean, there are three types of it. First method is direct method. Second method is assumed method. Another method is step deviation method. In this one method we learn that is direct method. So what is the direct method formula is x bar. X bar equals to sigma fi xi by sigma f. In the mean, there are three types of methods are there. One is direct method, another one is step deviation method, another one is assumed method. We are learning about the direct method. Direct method mean formula sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Now here they given class interval and frequency, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency they given 5, 12, 40. 11, 8, they give it. So in this, we need to find the xi. So what do you mean by xi is here? Midpoint of the class interval. So midpoint of the class interval. Now here first one class interval is here 0 and 10. 0 plus 10, half. 0 plus 10, what will be half? So what will become here? 5. Next, another one. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 half. It will becomes to 50. Next one, 20 and 30, it will becomes to 50. 50 half, it will becomes to 25. Next term, 30 plus 40, 70. 70 half, it will becomes to here, 35. Next, 40 and 50, it will becomes to 90. 90 half here, 45. So once again, we need to find here xi. So what is the xi is midpoint of the class interval. There is lower by doctor mode, we need to add it and divide by 2. So 0 plus 10, 10 by 2 value is 5. 10 plus 20, 30 by 2 value is 50. 20 plus 30, 50, 50 value is 25. Next 30 plus 40, that is 70, 70 by 2 it is 35. Next 40 plus 50, that is 90, 90 half it will becomes to 45. Or we can say 10, 10 difference is there. Just we can add it. 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 10, 45. Like that also we can do. How is this comfortable you can do it? Unknown over, xi over. Next what we need to do here, fi into xi. Fi into xi. Both you need to multiply. Fi as well as you need to multiply with xi. Fi value is 5, 12, 14, 11, 8. Xi value is 5, 15, 35, 35, 45. So multiply 5 5s are 25. Next 15 12s are 15 12s are 180. Next 25 14s are 25 14s are 350. So 35 11s are 385. Next 45 8s are 360. So now we got it. Fi and xi. We got it. And what we need to find out? Sigma. What do you mean by sigma is summation. What do you mean by summation is sum of the all the fi and xi. Sum of the all the fi and xi. After that addition, 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 0. 1 carry. Next 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. Plus 5, 16. Plus 8, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 0, 3 carry. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So total answer is here. Sigma fi xi is here. 1300. Next, one more, which one is here? Sigma fi. Sigma fi is you need to add it, which is sigma fi. So frequency you need to add it. 5 plus 12, 17. 17 plus 14, 31. 31 plus 11, 42. 42 plus 8, 50. So after that you need to divide. Sigma fi xi value is 1300. Divided by sigma fi value is here 50. After that cancel. 0, 0 to be cancelled. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. Remaining will be 3 and 0, 30. 5 6 are 30. Mean is 26. Another lesson, we need to find the mean. So mean formula, sigma fi xi by sigma fi. That is x bar. X bar equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Class interval begins 0, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 2, 3, 5, 7, 3. I need to find. What do you need to find? Xi, midpoint of the class interval. So, same. 10 and 20. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 by 2. What will become here? 50. And difference is 10, 10 difference. This we can add 10. So, 15 plus 10, it will become to 25. 25 plus 10, it will become to 35. 35 plus 10, it becomes to 45. 45 plus 10, it becomes to 55. Simple. Or else we can take 50 plus 60, half. 110 half, it will become 55. 40 plus 50, 90. 90 by 2, it becomes to 40. However you want to be. And the next what to do? Fi and xi. Both we need to multiply. 2 and 15. 15 twos are. 15 twos are, it becomes to 30. And 25 threes are. 25 threes are, it becomes to 75. And 35 fives are. So 5 fives are 25, 2 carry. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2, it becomes to 17. Means 35 fives are 175. Next 45 sevens are. So multiply. 7 fives are 35. 3 carry. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 3, 31. So what will become? 350. Next 3 55s are. That is 3 fives are 50. 1 carry. 3 fives are 50. 50 plus 1 60. That will become 165. This is Fi and Fi. So we need to add sigma Fi xi. This we need to add this all. That it will become sigma Fi and xi. So that is 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 2 carry. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 1, 20, 20 plus 6, 26, 2 carry. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. That value total will be 760. Sigma Fi xi is 760. Next we need to find the sigma Fi. Means we will add it all. F will get here sigma Fi. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 3, that will becomes to 20. So now you got it answers. Sigma Fi you got it answer and sigma Fi xi value got it answer. Substitute that values. So sigma Fi xi value is 760 and sigma Fi value is 20. So you need to cancel 760 by 20. 0, 0 it will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. Yes. 1 here 6 is 16. 2 8s are 16. So mean equals to 38. So mean value is here 38. Thank you.